Career information at Career Profiles. Chapter 1. Career articles at careerprofiles.info. Careerprofiles.info, the website. Careerprofiles.info calls itself a company. I clicked the About button. They say they're a job search website but take content from volunteer writers. There is a lot of good free job and career info here. Careerprofiles.info/index.html. Careerprofiles.info/careers-new-openings.html. Careerprofiles.info/careers-largest-employment.html. Careerprofiles.info/careers-declining-employment.html. Careerprofiles.info/career-assessment.html. Careerprofiles.info/career-exploration.html. Careerprofiles.info/career-planning.html. Careerprofiles.info/career-coaching.html. Careerprofiles.info/choosing-a-career-steps.html. Careerprofiles.info/questions-for-choosing-a-career.html. Careerprofiles.info/career-change-plan.html. Careerprofiles.info/interview-questions.html. Career change articles at careerprofiles.info/resources.html. Careerprofiles.info/career-change-risks.html. Careerprofiles.info/career-change-plan.html. Careerprofiles.info/successful-career-change-steps.html. Careerprofiles.info/career-change-tips.html. Careerprofiles.info/temp-job-strategy.html. Careerprofiles.info/midlife-career-change-tips.html. Careerprofiles.info/unemployment-benefits.html. livecareer.com/career-changer.html. careerchangepathways.com. Job fair websites at careerprofiles.info/job-fairs.html. americasjobfairs.com. careerfair.com. careersummit.net. cfg-inc.com/mapfairs.asp. careerfairs.com. hirequest.com. hrlive.com/jobfairs.php. diversitycareergroup.com. jobexpo.com. jobweb.com/employee/fairs/public_fairs.asp. nationalcareerfairs.com. scjobfair.com. restaurantcareers.com/web_fairs.html. salestracks.com/html/career_fair_schedule.html. skidmore.edu/administration/career/jobfair.htm. techaexpousa.com. womenforhire.com/expo/index.asp. Resume and interview info at careerprofiles.info/resumes.html. A lot of articles. Occupational info by field at careerprofiles.info/careers.html. careerprofiles.info/business-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/computer-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/construction-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/education-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/engineering-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/health-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/hospitality-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/law-enforcement-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/nursing-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/administrative-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/professional-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/psychology-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/sales-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/service-careers.html. careerprofiles.info/transportation-careers.html. Salary info at careerprofiles.info/salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/architecture-engineering-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/art-design-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/business-finance-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/computer-math-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/construction-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/legal-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/education-training-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/food-preparation-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/healthcare-practitioner-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/administrative-support-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/personal-care-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/production-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/sales-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/science-salaries.html. careerprofiles.info/transportation-salaries.html. Articles about college and college degree info at careerprofiles.info/education.html. careerprofiles.info/art-and-design-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/business-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/law-and-criminal-justice-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/education-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/engineering-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/health-and-medical-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/hospitality-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/liberal-arts-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/social-science-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/technology-and-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/online-associate-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/online-bachelor-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/online-masters-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/online-MBA-degrees.html. careerprofiles.info/online-PhD-programs.html. careerprofiles.info/online-certificate-programs.html. careerprofiles.info/online-high-school-course.html. careerprofiles.info/online-college-courses.html. careerprofiles.info/vocational-programs.html. careerprofiles.info/online-colleges.html. A job search by field at careerprofiles.info/job-search.html. careerprofiles.info/agriculture-environment-jobs.html. careerprofiles.info/business-jobs.html. careerprofiles.info/computer-it-jobs.html. careerprofiles.info/architecture-construction-jobs.html. careerprofiles.info/education-teaching-jobs.html. careerprofiles.info/healthcare-medical-jobs.html. careerprofiles.info/hospitality-tourism-jobs.html. careerprofiles.info/legal-law-enforcement-jobs.html. careerprofiles.info/advertising-marketing-jobs.html. Chapter 2. A list of career articles by occupation at careerprofiles.info/careers.html. There are articles about each of these occupations at careerprofiles.info/careers.html. Business and finance, accounting and auditing, advertising, marketing, and public relations, management analyst and consultant, investment banker, real estate broker/agent, computers and technology, computer programmer, computer scientist, computer systems analyst, computer hardware engineer, database administrator, construction trades, architect, carpenter, construction manager, electrician, surveyor, education, teaching and training, curriculum specialist, education administrator, elementary teacher, special education teacher, teacher assistant, engineering and engineering technicians, chemical engineer, civil engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, nuclear engineer, fishing, farming, and forestry, forest, conservation, and logging workers, fishers, fishermen, and vessel operators/captains, health and medical, anesthesiologist, chiropractor, dentist, dietitians and nutritionists, registered nurse, RN, hospitality, travel, and tourism. Like to travel and interact with people? Explore a career in hospitality. Chef, cook, and food preparation worker. Lodging and hotel managers. Travel agents. Legal, criminal justice and law enforcement. Criminologist. Crime scene investigator. Forensic scientist. Corrections officer. Paralegal. Management. Advertising and marketing manager. Computer information systems manager. Government manager. Financial manager. Property manager. Media communications and broadcasting. Broadcast engineering technician. Public relations specialist. Television, video, and motion picture camera operators and editors. Writers and editors. Military and armed forces. Office administration and management. Bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing clerks. Computer operator. Data entry and information processing worker. Receptionists and information clerks. Secretary and office assistants. Production and manufacturing. Assemblers and fabricators. Jewelers and precious stone and metal workers. Machinist. Welding, soldering, and brazing workers. Professional and service. Barber, cosmetologist, and hair stylist. Clergy. Fashion designer. Fundraiser. Social worker. Psychology and counseling. Forensic psychologist. Industrial organizational psychologist. Clinical psychologist. Cognitive psychologist. Child psychologist. Installation, repair, and maintenance. Auto body repairers. Carpet, floor, and tile installers and finishers. Home appliance repairman. Diesel service mechanics. Automotive service technicians and mechanics. Sales and marketing. Advertising sales agent. Insurance agent. Real estate agent. Retail sales. Securities, commodities, and financial services sales agents. Social and life sciences. Archaeologists and anthropologists. Transportation and moving. Air traffic controllers. Aircraft pilots and flight engineers. Bus drivers. Taxi drivers and chauffeurs. Truck drivers.